Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete activity on Cash App. So simply, in order to do this, just you have to go to your Cash App, and just after that when you open your Cash App, so simply like how much transactions you have done or how much payment you have received. So all the details are available in your Cash App. Now if you want to delete all these activities, so simply in order to do this you have to click on this icon, and now after that you have to simply click on the privacy and security, or simply you can go to your personal, and now here you can see switch to business account. Like, in order to do this you can switch to your business account, or simply if you want to remove activity, so simply in order to do this, first of all you have to delete your account. So there is no other way to delete activity on Cash App. Simply delete account and create a new account. So this is the only option to delete activity on Cash App.